Welcome! If you're looking to change your default search engine in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. Maybe you want to switch things up, or perhaps your browser suddenly started using a search engine you don't like. Whatever the reason, updating your default search engine is quick and easy. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open up Google Chrome on your device. You'll see the familiar homepage, or maybe the last page you visited. Now, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button. Go ahead and tap those 3 dots to open up the main menu. From the menu, find and tap on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can customize all sorts of options to make your browsing experience just right for you. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you see the Search Engine section. Tap on it. Here, you'll find the option to choose which search engine Chrome uses whenever you type something into the address bar. Now comes the fun part, choosing your preferred search engine. You'll see a list of popular choices like Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and maybe a few others. Just tap the one you want to use. As soon as you make your selection, Chrome will update your default search engine instantly. That's it. The next time you type a question or a web address into Chrome's address bar, your searches will go through the search engine you just picked. If you ever want to switch again, just repeat these steps. Customizing your browser is a great way to make your online experience more personal and efficient. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might need a little tech tip today. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.